Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. I will be presenting my poster titled Climate Change in Food Production for the Fundamental Course NT10103 Food Science and Nutrition. I will talk today based on my poster and written report. First, let's understand what is climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term shift in temperature and weather pattern. This change happen over long period, decade, or even centuries, and are mainly caused by human activities. The burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas release greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. This trapped heat warm the planet and contribute to global warming. Over time, this affect not just the environment but also human health, economy, and mostly important our food production and security. Moving to my next point, what is climate change and how it relates to our food? In this poster, I explain two important points. What is climate change and how it affects our food system? Climate change affects crop growth and yield. When temperature rise, many crops struggle to grow normally. It also affects food quality and safety because warmer conditions allow harmful bacteria to multiply more easily. Climate change also disrupts food supply chain. For example, transportation delay caused by flood or storm. Lastly, it causes food prices to rise because food become harder to produce. Next, the main cause. The poster highlight the main cause of climate change. They include excessive burning of coal, oil, and gas, transportation emission, industrial pollution, deforestation, unsustainable farming. All this activity increase greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and make the earth warmer. Next, scientific effect of the climate change. There are several scientific effects of climate change that impact food production. One effect is that climate is trapping more heat, leading to rising temperature. Higher temperature increase evaporation, reduce rainfall predictability, and making farming more challenging. Rising sea levels and ocean warming also threaten coastal farmland. Changes in weather pattern lead to drought, storm, and flooding, which damage crop and reduce the amount of food produced. These scientific phenomena directly affect how much food we can grow, where it can be grown, and how safe it is to consume. Next, impacts on human health. Climate change also affects human health, especially through food. The poster mentions several effects. Higher risk of malnutrition from reduced crop production, increased health problems such as heart disease, hypertension, and respiratory issue, reduced access to affordable and nutritious food. As food become harder to produce, people face greater risk of hunger and poor nutrition. What can we do? My poster also suggests practical solutions to reduce the impact of climate change, such as improving food storage and handling, reducing greenhouse gas emission, using technology to monitor crop efficiency. This action help protect our food supply and reduce damage to the environment. My innovation spotlight, called as SAPS, the long name is Smart Agri Precision System. One highlight of my poster is an innovation called SAPS. This is a climate smart technology designed to help farmers adapt to climate change. What can the SAPs do to our farmers? First, they can monitor soil, water, and crop health, detects problem early, uses water to fertilize efficiently, reduce gas emission, improve food sustainability. This is innovation uses modern tools like sensor and data system to help farmers make better decisions and increase crop productivity even with unstable weather. In conclusion, climate change is a global threat that affects food production, food safety, and food security. Through the innovation like what I said before, like SAPs, it improving farming practices, we can help reduce the impact of climate change on agriculture. Everyone, including farmers, consumer, and industry, has a role to play in protecting our food system. Thank you for listening to my talk.